Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Tustin local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a reliable and cheap Tustin moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our movers will help you with any type of local or long-distance move. Whether you're moving your family or your business, we're ready to help you get there safely. If you want to make your move stress-free, hiring a long-distance moving company is the right option. Our team will help ease your mind by offering all the necessary moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Finding out about the benefits of hiring a local California moving company will make the decision easier. Of course, you will save time and you will be able to avoid any heavy lifting. Handling this move yourself means you will have to find the time to pack and load up the truck. With the help of 3 Movers, you can save time and get settled in faster. We keep you from having to do any heavy lifting. Let us take care of the furniture, boxes, and everything else. Instead of spending an entire weekend moving, we can get you moved locally in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tustin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.